So your general use instructions are underneath the WebLock, a really easy guide. But just to fasten it, just so it's ultra safe if there's any slips or if you jump up and down the tent during the night, you're going to tie a simple knot that's similar to the one on the tail of the unit. You simply loop the tail of the strap round the tension strap 3 times. You can use your finger to keep a little bit of a gap in between. Once that's around 3 times, you're going to take the tail, fold it over, push it through and pull it tight. That knot will then secure you if you were to loosen this off in the night accidentally, if you were to get any slack, if you were to bounce up and down, it just tightly fasten up there, it would jam in the mechanism and you'd be safe. So as you can see now guys, we've actually purposely loosened the unit off to add extra stress onto the WebLock. As you can see, the knot has bitten in and it's not going anywhere. We can really bounce them down this. You're going to be solid all night and you're going to stay nice and safe.